Hey, it's me, Zor.
Because of the non-stop
Walang
rain.
Walang
Due to heavy rain, cancel ang atong ibu pero dili cancel ang atong photoshoot. Here we are back in the studio and with Jay and Claire, of course, ni Pretty og samot ang ato ang soon-to-be bride. I was really amazed despite of the happening. Si Mom is perte gyud kabuhak-hak diri sa video. O diba siya pa'y mag-ihap og 1, 2, 3, go maikod ta. Very smiley ug very cutesy kayo atong soon-to-be bride, and of course, despite sa heavy rain nga nahitabo kaganina, still na-push yung ang atong photoshoot. And of course, from their smiling faces and eyes, makita nato na it's not about the location, but it's about the person you're with.
Question and answer, tamang. Oh, kamusta ang experience ni mo karon?
Very nana.
Oo, for the vlog.
So far, amazing. Kay very kuan kay ang mga tao. Anak kanya accommodating, very helpful. Diba? Gusto di ka smile si Kiko. Supportive ka. Yung ginaniya. Ay mo no. Sige ka
Pa-model?
Kada bang dili ka inana ka expose sa inana ka mga tao.
Dili anad, pero...
Yeah, more man.
Supportado mo ka na ako. Naaman may...
Yeah, thankful. Thank you so much for your help. To make this event successful. Even though, ganito dito
Ay, kukulian.
we try our best. Yung mga tong dito, but alabasan niyo na ito.
Yes.
Still, successful siya.
Yes.
With your help, of course.
Thank you, Sigmund, for choosing JM.